Yeah. All right, could you give me your name and what's in here first?
Antonio, and I've got 4 Godfather 15s on a Taramps Space 30K.
Taramps 30K, 1, 2, or half?
One of them. One of them.
Did you build this?
Yeah. Nice. It was done in a week. Had to get it ready for.
All right. So is it? Could you tell me the specs on the enclosure, like tuning or anything?
It's a 2-to-1, 2 to 50.
So 50?
Yeah, it'll play down to about 25.
25. Okay. All right. I'm ready.
Goddamn boys and men looking nigga. MC Brain, goddamn tied shirt. Gate. We the current demand. Y'all ain't hungry, you bitches thirsty. Here's a courtesy can. Stuff to see is same shows that y'all was trying to offer.
Wow.
Homie, knowing that I'm throwing.
Awesome, man.
Yeah, it's a little windy.
Yeah, it's really good.
I've got some lows. I don't know what you're really trying to put on the channel.
Let's do it. Do some more lows, sure. Play something on the low end a little more. All right. Come here. Hair trick?
Oh, yeah.
You want a hair trick? Hair trick. Double hair trick. All right. I'm ready.
I'm a rich blood by the way. And I'm having swag rolling on like a tape. Bitch scared, yeah, I got these bitches on the base. Drop what I talk, man, I say I need some space. My new car get top. I just paid that car. Now I wanna. Money in the mattress,
man.
going to get him.
That's really good for 1 week build, and you got it ready for the shot.
You
Definitely musical.
problems with the bass knob, but it is what
Is it cutting out from the RCAs or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. I'm gonna go check out the back. Is it open for amps?
Yeah, I'll open it.
pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm not really working at that hard. I'm working the subs more than I am the amp.
Yeah. That amp put some power out though. And you're probably not, have you burped it for a meter score yet? Just for
I'll
gauge?
do a 59.
59?
At 28.
Awesome, wow.
I did bass boards at 30 hertz. Did 59.3 too. So
Okay.
it's pretty flat down low.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the demo.
Nigga, MC Brain, goddamn tired show. Let's go. So you the fuck niggas that won it first. My son. We the current demand. Y'all ain't hungry, you bitches thirsty. Here's a courtesy can. Tough to see it. So you the fuck niggas that won it first. My stomach hurts, so somebody finna get shitted on. My vision long and I could've seen this from a mile away. You niggas is ending your careers, we coming about the gate. We the current demand. Y'all ain't hungry, you bitches thirsty. Here's a courtesy can. Tough to see it. sing show me some space. Whoop, whoop, whoop. My new car get cooked. I just paid that now.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.